What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys really briefly about these fake Bosch fuel injectors that I got on eBay. So let's take a closer look. Now the reason I got these upgraded 4-hole fuel injectors off of eBay is I'm going to be upgrading the air, fuel, and spark on the 4.0 and see if it makes any performance difference on the Jeep right here. That video should be out in a couple weeks. And just to be clear, when I bought these on eBay for $58 for a set of 6, I had no expectations of these being actual legitimate Bosch fuel injectors. Let's get that out of the way right off the bat. I bought these knowing that most likely these would be fake fuel injectors and not real ones. Now let's go over the ad real quick on eBay. This is Bosch fuel injectors for Jeep 8798 4.0 OEM with the 2 part numbers, 4-hole EV1 injector. You know, they have a Bosch box, caveat, don't know if they're correct or not, but they have a Bosch box and they seem to be legitimate in the picture. So right, I go to the description because that's what I want to know. A lot of these ads, they will say in the fine print of the ads, injectors are not as pictured. So I wanted to make sure that that was not the case on this one. This one says Bosch with the part number, 5-year warranty, and brand new, and it says part number is Bosch part number. Even seeing all that, still, obviously because of the price, $58, still very skeptical that these are legitimate. And with eBay's money back guarantee, I really, for 58 bucks, I decided to just pull the trigger and get them and see what showed up, to see how bad it was, to see if they were legitimate, on the off chance that they are legitimate. So this particular part number, the 02801557110 that I purchased, that these are actually injectors for a Ford. And I found this really cool sheet that someone made that has all of the injector upgrade tip sheet, so I will put it on the screen right now. It seems to be, from my quick research, it seems to be pretty accurate, so I will put it up on the screen right now so you guys can screenshot that and have that if you want to have it. So in order to determine if these are legitimate or not, let's take a closer look at the injector itself. One, I can tell that it is kind of a darker brown color and not a yellow color like a legitimate Bosch fuel injector of this part number. So if we take a closer look at the part number here, they did a good job of having the part number engraved in here, but right above the part number, in these little flat areas, there should be some numbers that are there that are either not there or not correct. So there's things in the casting that in numbers that should be that are not there. What we're going to do is we're going to flip it over, and on the other side, there is nothing in this little cutout where there should be basically a set of number like F4SE-A1B, and then this example that I have here actually has Ford imprinted into the injector itself. I don't expect even a real Bosch one to have that Ford emblem, just because I think they use this in a lot of different applications, not only in Ford, so I don't expect it to have the Ford emblem stamped in there, but that is one other sign. So just comparing right here side by side, this is from Bosch's website itself. This is the part number, and you can see on the side here that it doesn't quite look right. So those are just the things that I saw. Obviously we got the color, we got the incorrect stamping or no stamping on one side of the injector that should have numbers and stuff stamped in it, and then this side that has the numbers molded into it. It has the areas for where other numbers and things would typically go molded into it. They're flat spots, but there's nothing actually printed inside of it. So I will be contacting the seller, telling them they are not legitimate and I don't want them, and I will send them back, hopefully get my money back. And if not, they don't do that, I will file a claim with eBay saying these are not fake. These are fake. These are the reasons I believe why they are fake, and then I'll get my money back either way. So I'm not super worried about it. I will not be installing these onto the 4.0 in my Jeep. I'm just going to stick with the air and spark upgrades that I have planned. If you guys have purchased these and installed them and had good luck with them, bad luck with them, any kind of luck with them, please let me know down in the comments, because I want to know if they work or not. I just am not willing to take the time and risk putting them on my Jeep and then going on a trip to like California or something, and them failing, and then I have a dead 4.0 that doesn't run right, and I ruin a whole trip because I installed these cheap eBay fuel injectors. That's going to be it for this video, guys. If you want to follow me on social media, I am at MuddyBeards4x4. We have a website where you can buy shirts, stickers, stuff like that. We got discount codes for Barnes 4-wheel drive, Onyx Off-Road, and a bunch of other sponsors. The links are all down in the description. Until next time, guys, we will see you on the trail.